Now, let's show you how to install the decorative sheet. First, we prepare the following tools: a utility knife, compass knife, marker pen, tape measure, scissors, a pointed scissors, ink line, steel ruler. Clean the dust on the top before pasting. Then measure and mark on the top away from the beam or wall. To locate the chalk line, measure and mark the other side. If you have a level, it can assist in marking the chalk line more clearly. It's okay if you don't have a level. Just draw the chalk line according to the two marks. Pull the chalk line to the mark. Just pull the line to the middle and snap it twice or 3 times. In this way, the mark of the ink line will be left on the top. Then we mark the other side. The process of marking the ink line is the same. Use a level to assist in marking the two positions. Align the line with the mark and tap it twice or 3 times. Open the package. Take out our decorative piece. Take out double-sided tape and stick it on the back. Stick double-sided tape on all 4 sides of the ornament. The edges must be adhered to be firm and not fall off. Apply double-sided tape in the middle. After all are pasted, remove the protective film. Then stick the decorative piece on the top. When pasting, be sure to align it. Otherwise, there will be not enough pieces to fit the size. After pasting, press the area with double-sided tape again. For the decorative pieces that don't need to be cut, you can repeat the previous steps. Measure the position of the downlight or spotlight, the size of the opening on the top, and measure both sides. Then draw the measured dimensions on the back of the decorative piece. Use a compass knife to adjust the size of the hole. Then use the compass knife to rotate the hole. To rotate and open the hole, then use the pointed scissors to trim it. Apply double-sided tape to all 4 sides and stick it all the way to the edge. And also in the middle. Remove the protective film. Align it with the other previously attached decorative pieces. Press it once. Connect the double-sided tape. Connect the downlight power cord and put the downlight in. Show the effect of the installed downlight. Measure the size of the corner. Measure both left and right. Draw the measured dimensions on the decorative piece. Then use scissors to cut off the excess part. Apply double-sided tape to the edges of the decorative piece. Be sure to stick it to the edge. And also in the middle. After tearing off the protective film, you can stick it on the ceiling. Be sure to align it when pasting. Press the edge of the decorated sheet. Press the double-sided tape after pasting. Measure the size of the measured part. Draw the measured size on the decorative sheet. Then use a utility knife to cut the marked area. After cutting, apply double-sided tape to all 4 edges. And also in the middle. Remove the protective film. Align and stick the decorative piece. Press the position with double-sided tape after pasting. It's done. Let's show it.